The all-new second-generation Audi A3 sedan has been officially unveiled online, preparing to market alongside the hatchback model like the A3 Sportback. The new A3 is built on the MQB Evo platform. The body length is 4500mm, which is slightly longer than the previous model. While the wheelbase is still the same, the width is 1820mm and a height of 1430mm, which is larger in all dimensions compared to the first model. The driver's seat position has been reduced. Not only does it have better driving performance, but it also makes the area over the head and elbows more spacious than before. But the luggage space remains unchanged at 425 liters. The exterior looks of the sedan are identical to the A3 Sportback hatchback except for the rear. Nonetheless, the rear lights still have exactly the same design. The sedan model is longer than 150mm, making the overall car a little more elegant than the hatchback version. With the design of the tank to have airflow equipped with an active diffuser and active grille fins that provide good airflow, allowing the A3 sedan to have an air friction value of only 0.25 CD. The cabin has the same structure as the hatchback model, eye-catching with a digital gauge of 10.25 inches behind the steering wheel. On the console, there is a 10.1-inch MMI touchscreen that tilts the driver slightly. The 2021 Audi A3 range was introduced with a new 1.5-liter 35 TFSI petrol mild hybrid powertrain, while the petrol unit makes 148 bhp and 250 Nm by itself. The 48V mild hybrid unit can bump up the torque by 50 Nm. In global markets, the engine is available mated to a 6-speed manual or 7-speed S-tonic dual-clutch transmission. The other option is a 2.0-liter TDI motor good for 148 bhp and 360 Nm while mated to the 7-speed S-tonic unit. The selling price of the A3 sedan in Germany starts at €29,800. The first car will be delivered to customers in the middle of this year.